Alright, so what's going on here is I bought these relays. There was like a pack of 10 off eBay, and they came with these nifty, pre-pinned wire blocks that just plug right into the relay itself. And well, I ran into an issue where the wires weren't long enough to reach this this block here, and these wires over here weren't long enough to reach this block over here. So what I'm doing is I'm individually pinning each one and running each wire to its specific designation, like the top and the yellow wire, that's going to be to the switch. Red is going to be to the accessory. Black is obviously ground, and blue goes to the fuse block. And then I'll have my power ran to the fuse block via this little nut here. And then everything will be grounded to, so I'll probably drill a hole here and put a pretty much just a screw from the back side through this way, bolt down all the grounds to that one bolt, and then on the back side of the bolt I'll run straight to the chassis, and that'll be my ground. For the most part, this is the finished product. All I gotta do is just run all the negatives, but I've got every single wire in, and so all I gotta do is take my harness here, hook her up here, and run it throughout the car. But before I do all that, I gotta shrink wrap this whole harness, and then this portion right here, this will be what connects to the accessory, and then I got another harness that'll go to the switch. But this is all the accessories. Pretty nice. All I gotta do is just, shrink wrap the whole harness from front to rear, slap her in, and wire it all